High on hills, where cool winds blow. Lies Mondulkiri, where soft dreams grow. A lodge stands quiet, near skies so blue. With valleys wide and mountain view. Buffalo roam through grass so green. Their horns like crowns, proud and serene. In early mist or evening gold. They wander free, both young and old. The sun peeks through the jungle haze. Lighting the lodge in morning blaze. A wooden deck, a coffee warm. Wrapped in the highland gentle charm. Waterfall whisper through the trees. Echoing softly with the breeze. And every star at night feels near. So bright, so close, so crystal clear. Come rest a while, let silence stay. Let Mondulkiri snow the way. To peace, to sky, to buffalo stride. In Cambodia heart, wild and wide.